Imagine waking up one morning to find out that Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg are hoarding something like it's the next gold rush. But this time, it's not land, oil, or even Bitcoin. It's artificial intelligence. And guess what? They're not just dipping their toes in. They're diving in head first like it's the last train to trillionaire town. Just recently, Elon Musk made headlines by offering to buy OpenAI, the very company he once helped fund but later criticized for its commercialization. That's right. Musk, who has his own AI venture, xAI, wanted to get his hands on OpenAI, proving once again that this isn't just business. It's a full-blown power struggle over the future of intelligence itself. If money talks, AI is currently screaming. The richest minds in the world are throwing billions into it, and not because they love robots or want to make your life easier. No. It's because AI is the closest thing to printing money legally. So let's break down what's going on, why billionaires are fighting for a piece of the AI pie, and, most importantly, how this affects you. Which billionaires are investing in AI and how? If billionaires were in a sci-fi movie, they wouldn't be the heroes fighting against an AI apocalypse. They'd be the ones funding the evil corporation, nodding in approval as their AI armies march. Here's how they're doing it. Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark? Maybe. Launched xAI to develop a ChatGPT competitor. Not satisfied with just AI, he's stuffing it into Tesla's self-driving cars, Neuralink's brain chips, and X. Basically, he wants AI everywhere, from your car to your skull. Jeff Bezos, the man who owns your shopping cart. Amazon's AI isn't just about Alexa responding with sassy comebacks. It's about predicting what you'll buy before you even know you want it. His investment in AI-driven automation and robotics is about one thing: cutting labor costs while increasing profits. Mark Zuckerberg, the social media overlord. Meta is pouring billions into AI-powered virtual reality and the metaverse. Why? Because he knows one thing. The more time you spend in Meta's AI-generated world, the more ads he can shove down your throat. Sam Altman, the OpenAI mastermind. The man behind ChatGPT has raised billions, not just for AI, but also for building AI-powered robotics and even exploring nuclear fusion. Because why settle for one sci-fi dream when you can have two? Microsoft Google, the quiet puppeteers. Microsoft is backing OpenAI while Google is aggressively developing its AI models like Gemini. Their goal? To control the digital infrastructure that powers the future. AI is not just a tool anymore. It's a billionaire's new weapon to control industries, markets, and, let's be real, probably your brain. Why are they investing? All right, let's get one thing straight. Billionaires don't invest in something unless it promises astronomical returns. AI is no exception. Here's why they're throwing money at it. Monopoly over the future. If AI controls healthcare, education, entertainment, and automation, then whoever owns AI owns, well, everything. Massive profit margins. AI doesn't need lunch breaks. It doesn't demand a salary. It doesn't form unions. Why pay humans when you can replace them with AI? Infinite data. Harvesting AI thrives on data, and billionaires want to own it all. The more they know about you, the easier it is to predict and manipulate your decisions. Geopolitical power countries that dominate AI will dominate the world, and billionaires love being on the winning side of history. In short, AI isn't the future, it's the battlefield. The risks controversies, the part they don't want you to know. Of course, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. AI is also bringing chaos, ethical nightmares, and job Armageddon. Job losses on a massive scale. If an AI bot can do your job, guess what? It will do your job. From customer service to content creation, automation is taking over faster than anyone expected. AI bias control. What if AI knows your next move before even you do? AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased, guess what? The AI is biased too. And the ones controlling the data? Yeah, those same billionaires. Surveillance privacy invasion. The more AI knows about you, the less privacy you have. Everything you type, say, and even think, thanks to brain chips, could be used to track and predict your behavior. There's the hard truth. AI is coming whether you like it or not. So, instead of panicking, here's what you can do. Adapt, don't resist, learn AI-related skills. If AI is taking over, your best bet is to work with it, not against it. That's think like a billionaire. If the rich are investing in AI, ask yourself, how can you use it to your advantage? AI tools can boost your productivity, automate tasks, and even create new income streams. Stay woke. Seriously, pay attention to how AI is shaping laws, ethics, and the job market. Don't let billionaires decide your future without you knowing.